everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so thankful and so excited that you took the time and wanted to quilt with me. We are starting a brand new mystery quilt, Mystery 2021. Are you excited about it? I sure am, and I can't wait to quilt with you. For next 12 days, I'm going to be posting videos and recipes on my blog so you can make blocks with me and create the most beautiful mystery quilt. Don't you worry, it's so fun and so easy. I have worked hard and prepared everything for you. I'm going to be working with my Perfect Union collection. If you have not yet get the fabrics, make sure you visit our blog, go to our website, visit our blog, and all the information about fabric, how much, what you need are right there. I'm going to be making my quilt with our beautiful Perfect Union collection, and I have a fat quarter bundle. You can use your own fabrics if you would like to. Just use a nice variety from dark to light in blues, and we need a little bit more lights for the background. Additionally, I have this cream bundle, and this one has 4 different fabrics in light. I needed more for the backgrounds. In my little basket, I have a beautiful Macrotex needles for my sewing machine, a fresh new needle, always excited about that, and I have 2310 Aurifil thread. One of the most important things that I want you to have it, grab your little 4.5-inch ruler. I have mine. This one is from Creative Grids. This is gonna be perfect because we're gonna be trimming our blocks to 4.5 inches. That's the size of our blocks this time. I'm so excited. So the ruler is gonna be right next to me. For today, we're making our first block. So I'm gonna pick 4 fabrics, and I have 2 lights, notice 2 lights and 2 blues. Yes, you're right. I have also going to be posting a second option for the quilt, but only on my blog. So go to my blog and see it. The second option of the quilt is made with the rainbow colors, and you can either use linen texture for that option, or you can go ahead and use your own fabrics. Just apply. For example, if I have a red, I'm gonna grab a red from my stash. Everything is based on fat quarters, so you can definitely use some of those fat quarters that you have collected and saved. Now, for our first block, I have 2 lights and 2 blues. Perfect. I'm gonna cut my pieces, and my first block is super simple. Guess what? We're gonna make a simple 4-patch, and I have 2 light and 2 darks in blues. The squares are 2.5 inch by 2.5. Yes, on my blog I have the recipe, so you should go there, cut your fabric, and get ready. The video is going to be explaining to you how I put my blocks together, but the recipes I'm going to be posting right on the blog, so some of you can look at there, print it, whichever way you wanted to work with it, but grab your fabrics and let's go. So 2.5-inch square, light and a dark, right sides together, just like this. If you would like to use a nice pins, sew it using 1/4-inch seam allowance. Move on to the next set of 2, light and dark, sew it together using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. As soon as you finish sewing, you're gonna push your seam towards the dark. See what I did? Push the seam towards the dark, and you can use chain sewing technique because you're gonna be making 4 patches of this color and 4 patches from the other color option. So now look at this. I have 2 sets of 2s. All that I did is, look, I just rotate this way. Now I'm gonna place those right sides together. Make sure you grab your favorite patchwork pins. I'm gonna pin it right there on the seam, right there where the seams are locking, and I'm gonna straight stitch right here. As soon as I finish stitching, look at this. Oh, wonderful. Finish stitching, open it up, and I always open on the back first. I open this little center up, and now look at this. I have a beautiful 4 patch. As soon as you finish your 4 patches, make sure you press them, and you go ahead, grab your 4.5-inch ruler and check if your patches, 4 patches are perfect. I'm matching my ruler right to the center, right there, and I'm checking the sides, and I'm gonna go ahead and gently trim it, gently trim it. I love this rotating board because it's so easy to use it, just like this, where I can go ahead, just rotate my pieces and trim it. Wonderful. So I just finished trimming. I'm gonna go ahead, pick this up, and now I have my first 4 patch. I need to make 4 patch A. Let me clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna make 4 patch A, and I'm gonna go ahead for my second color option and make 4 of 4 patch B. I went ahead and did those. It was so much fun. That's all for today. If you would like to, make sure subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come tomorrow to quilt with me again. I have a wonderful little blog for you. And if you're posting pictures, don't forget, tag us on it at Laundry Basket Quilts or hashtag Mystery 2021. I am so happy you're here, and I can't wait to see what's happened next and how beautiful your blogs are going to look. On our blog, we have a layout where you're going to position all your blocks. Thank you so much and happy quilting. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.